Hello, artists and fellow dog lovers. I'm your furry host, and today I've got something truly tail-wagging to share with you. 2 delightful poodle portrait painting tutorials from Ginger Cook. Whether you adore a touch of black and white sophistication or you love the charm of a fluffy white coat, there's a perfect painting waiting for you. Let me introduce the stars. Black and white poodle portrait, an elegant 11 by 14 masterpiece packed into just under 1.5 hours and divided into 5 easy-to-follow episodes. White poodle portrait, the same adorable size, just over 1 hour, and in 4 fun episodes. Both of these tutorials are rated at a 3 cookie skill level, so they're absolutely doable, even if you're new to acrylic painting and want a bit of a challenge. Each step is guided by the wonderful Ginger Cook herself, making it simple to create a poodle portrait that's full of personality, just like me. You'll pick up essential techniques for capturing fluffy fur, sparkling eyes, and all those adorable details. And don't worry, if you have questions or need a little extra encouragement, the personal art coaching option for our red and purple members is ready to support you. You're never painting alone. Ready to get started? You can take these courses online at the Academy, acrylicpaintingwithgingercook.com, as well as the acrylicartlounge.com or on the gingercookondemand.com website. And guess what? For 1 week only, both full-length downloadable classes are on sale for just $19.95 each, normally $27.95, so now's the time to fetch your brushes and save a treat or two. Are you ready to create your own masterpiece? Grab your favorite paints, join Ginger Cook, and let's make something beautiful together. Paint your passion, celebrate your poodle, and remember, you don't need to be positively perfect, just ready to have fun. See you in class.